In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your name on a Tradingview chart, step by step. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, personalizing your charts can make a big difference in streamlining your workflow. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll need to navigate to your chart on Tradingview. Open up the Tradingview platform and pull up the specific chart you want to customize. You can do this by entering the symbol for the asset or stock of your choice, such as NASDAQ, AAPL in the search bar at the top of the TradingView interface. Let's assume that you're now looking at your desired chart and ready to add your personal touch. The next step is to find your drawing tools. These tools are typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. If you hover over this toolbar, you'll notice a range of options designed for annotating and enhancing your chart analysis. From lines to shapes, this suite of tools supports a variety of customization options. Keep your focus on the toolbar for our next action. Now we're going to locate the text icon among these tools. Simply scroll through until you find an icon that resembles a letter or the word text. Clicking on this tool will enable you to add text directly onto your chart. This is the fundamental feature that lets you place your name exactly where you want it. With the text icon selected, you can now click anywhere on your chart. It's entirely up to you where you'd like to place your name, perhaps in the top left corner for visibility, or maybe somewhere more subtle. The point is to add a personal element that doesn't detract from your overall analysis. After clicking, a text box should appear either on or near the spot you've chosen. In this text box, simply type in your name. It's that easy. Once you've input your name, you're not necessarily limited to a basic default appearance. TradingView offers several customization options to make sure that your name stands out just the way you want it to. To enhance the visibility or fit the aesthetic you're aiming for, you might want to edit the text size and color. As soon as you've typed in your name, a small editing panel should appear. Here, take advantage of options to make your text larger if you want it to stand out more, or perhaps change the font color to match your chart's overall theme. Experiment with these options to ensure your name incorporates seamlessly into your chart design, enhancing both personal flair and professional clarity. And there you have it. You've successfully personalized your TradingView chart by adding your name. These customizations not only make your charts more distinctive, but also add a touch of convenience and professionalism to your trading experience. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.